Hi everyone, 2020 marks the fifth decade that I've been in banking and finance, having started in 1985. During that time, I've seen lots of changes. Most recently, the biggest change that we've seen, particularly in the home loan market, is the banks and how they look at the living expenses. So I just wanted to do a quick video and just explain some of the changes that have come into place, because if you are looking at doing a home loan in the next 12 months, really important that you prepare for them. So the banks previously just had one set of living expenses. Over the last couple of years, that's evolved now 19 categories, including pet care, all education expenses, etc. Ultimately, the banks want to capture all your living expenses, so which is fair enough, because ultimately they also want to work out whether you can afford the loan. 3 tips for you to think about. First of all, the banks really want to go through your bank statements, and they're going to do that. So a couple of things that you want to check. Gambling, I would certainly eliminate or the very best, reduce the number of gambling transactions that you may have on your bank statements. If there are too many of those, banks don't get too excited with that. Next one is the narrations on your transactions on your bank statement. So from time to time we get to see, we've all got that May to, we'll put a humorous narration on the bank statement. I would just be a little bit cautious of that. Whilst we've got a sense of humour, the guys in the credit departments in the bank may not share that sense of humour. So just try and keep it reasonably classy with the narrations. The other one, and we're seeing a lot of this at the moment, it's causing a few issues for us, is your zip pay, your afterpay, your hum, all of the short-term financing options that are out there at the moment. Banks don't like it. It's not the difference between approval and decline, but too many of them, or non-disclosure, will be a real problem. The other one, just in finishing, is that the banks now can see everything that you've got. So any credit facilities that you have through comprehensive credit reporting, they can actually see the last 24-month repayment history on all of those facilities. They can also see all the facilities that you've applied for over the time. And so what you need to do is certainly declare all your liabilities that you have on your applications, because the bank will find out. And rightly so as well. So I hope those tips help. Just bear in mind, if you're looking for a home loan in the next 12 months, living expenses, certainly take a detailed approach to them in preparation for your home loan. It'll help your approval chances. Okay, thank you. Have a great day.